Students, now we will solve the third problem in the isometric projection, week 9, third problem. First, enable the ortho mode. Similarly, your isometric drawing option also enable it. Enable the isometric plane. F5 is the shortcut key to enable to shift the different planes, left side, isoplane top, isoplane right. Okay, so now we will start the diagram. I am starting from the right side end for 140 length. Okay, so 140, enter, then height times right, drawing in the left hand side, height is 30 millimeter. So the horizontal distance can be drawn after calculations. See that in the diagram, the two vertical members are there. Its length is, for example, top side is semicircle and the bottom side is rectangular portion. Semicircle radius is 40. So 40, 40, 80. 80 is the width of this member. Okay, 80 is diameter distance. Then 140 is the total distance. 140 minus of 80, 60 is the remaining distance. So we can draw the distance, horizontal distance 60 here. Okay, so here I am starting the vertical member. Okay, I draw roughly some distance. I don't know what is the length. I am starting from here. The distance, okay, the distance of the center for the circle is 60 here. Okay, I draw the center line for drawing the circle, trimming this unwanted portion. Now I am going to draw the arc. Okay, using the ellipse, axis, end, isocircle option, select the center is the middle point of this line and diameter is 80 millimeter or radius is 40 millimeter. So I change it to diameter, hence I am typing 80. Now I am trimming the unwanted portions. Okay, now I am completing the inner circle also. I am going to ellipse option, axis, end, isocircle, then keep my cursor closer to the circle, then it will indicate the center point of that arc. Then this is the center, click here and draw the diameter. So now D is the diameter is 40 millimeter. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am changing the plane to the left and then draw the thickness of this member, vertical member. It is equivalent to 20 millimeter. So in the diagram, 80 is the left side you look, 80 is the overall width. The distance between these two member is 40 and you subtract remaining 80 minus of 40. 40 is the this solid member thickness. So each side 20, 20. So I am typing the thickness of this vertical member 20, then press escape. Now I am copying, I am changing this I am selecting this vertical member arc, okay, and copying this and keep and offset to a distance of 20. Keep in the 20 end of the line. Okay, now I am trimming the unwanted portions. Then drawing the remaining portion. Left side I am drawing now 80 millimeter wide portion. I am drawing now 80 millimeter length, enter. Then vertical distance is 30, enter. Then 80 millimeter rectangle I am completing. Then I am switching over to I draw a line from here and draw for a 80 distance and escape. Now I copy these two members and copy. This is the base point for pickup. Second one, zoom. This is the base point for pickup and keep here. Escape. Now I got the, I repeat one more time. I am selecting all the three circles. Okay, three circle and vertical member. Copy and select the base point. Second line is a base point and move at the end of 80 mm line. That is a displacement point. Escape. Now I trim the unwanted portions. Okay, I forgot to transfer the inner circle also for 50 millimeter. Copy and I will paste in this center. Similarly here for the left hand side wall thickness also I am copying. You keep going to the left hand side circle that will show the center point, there you place it. Escape. Now trim the unwanted portion of the second circle. Okay, so that you can see a portion of the circle for the left extreme of the vertical member. Escape. Now the diagram is complete. Top side we need to connect with the lines. Okay, so this profile, top profiles, to bring the cursor here and it will show the contact point. Okay, same thing you do here also. Now trim the unwanted portions. Next, switch over the plane to top, then complete this remaining portion and trim this line and complete the inner portion. Trim here. This is not visible. Okay. Same thing. We need to complete the slot, semicircular slot in the left hand side. For that, to draw the semicircle, go to the ellipse option, axis end and iso circle. Select the center of the line. Okay, 80 mm line, middle point you pick up and radius is 30 millimeter. Radius is 30 millimeter. Enter. Okay, trim the half of the circle, outer half of the circle. Outer half of the circle. Then copy this top half. Copy and sorry. Before that, you need to draw the vertical line. Vertical line. You enable the Before that, change the isoplane left. Draw the vertical line in this face. Similarly, right side also, right end of the arc. Escape. Then trim the unwanted portion. Now copy the semicircle. This is the pickup point for copy and displacement point is bottom of the line. Escape. Now trim the unwanted portions. This line, this horizontal line, then this inner portion of the arc is not visible. Okay, so this is your required arc. Then right hand side you need to complete that slot. Okay, so from here switch over the isoplane to right, then from right extreme for 30 millimeter distance draw a horizontal line. From there draw a vertical line for 15 millimeter, then draw the line for 60 millimeter length and again downward direction. Move away from the line, then trim the unwanted portions. Already you draw a line, that also I am deleting. Now I am switching over the plane to the left and completing this portion. Okay, inside trim the excessively drawn diagram. Now the diagram is completed. Now you need to do the aligned dimensioning. Aligned dimension. Now it is left aligned, so I am selecting the features on the left side. Now I will change the cursor to the right side isoplane. Now dim aligned, select this 140 millimeter zoom and select the 140 millimeter line, then this 30 millimeter line, then 60 millimeter line, then you have to show the height. Okay, so height you have to show here to here 15, here to here 30. Okay, then any other dimension 60, center point of the circle is 60. For that we need to draw the center line for the circle. Okay, horizontal center line. Now I am selecting the dim aligned from here to here. It is showing 60. Then using the leader line, draw the radius value. Before that, disable ortho mode. Radius is 40. Radius 40. Enter. Then repeat the leader. Select the inner circle. Percentage C. 40 diameter, click outside. Okay, now you have to align it. Okay, go to the annotate tab, dimension, obliques option. I am selecting the 3 dimensions simultaneously. Enter, and alignment direction is along this particular line. Okay, now it is aligned. Similarly, I am changing the isoplane to the left and selecting the oblique option. Select this dimension, enter, align to the this particular orientation. Okay, similarly I want to align this vertical dimensions. Go to the oblique. Now I need to tell the oblique angle. It should be aligned with this line. Okay, now it is aligned. Same thing, this line also. Oblique line I have to tell. This line I am selecting. Okay, now all the dimensions are aligned. Now this is our required isometric projection of the given solid. Thank you, student.